royal message from Her Highness Princess Kranyani Vattana, Komarong Narathiwat Ratchanakarin, to Mahapothi Society on this occasion. I am delighted and profoundly honored to present a 40-volume Pali Tipitaka in Roman script edition to reading institutions worldwide. This occasion is especially meaningful because this publication is the world's first Pali Tipitaka edition in Roman script from the only great international council, covered by 2,500 Theravada Buddhist monks in the Buddhist era 2,500 or 1956 AD. It is therefore a heritage of humanity, enlightenment, which has been preserved for over 2,500 years. The 3 inaugural Pali Tipitaka editions were published by the Dhamma Society under the patronage of Supreme Patriarch of Thailand. The first inaugural edition was presented to the people of Sri Lanka on March 6, 2005. I went on a pilgrimage to Colombo upon the invitation of the President of Sri Lanka for the presentation of the special edition, which is now preserved at the Presidential Mansions in Colombo. The special edition for the Kingdom of Thailand was presented to the people of Thailand on August 15, 2005, and is now preserved at the Constitutional Court of the Kingdom of Thailand in Bangkok. The special edition for the Western world was presented on September 13, 2005 to the Kingdom of Sweden and is now preserved at the Uppsala University Library. The presentation of the International Pali Tipitaka in Roman script edition is a meritorious act following the publication of the Tipitaka in Siam script edition by my grandfather, King Chulalongkorn Chulajongkrao of Siam, who in 1893 had the Pali Tipitaka printed in the book form for the first time in the world. Over 260 of these sets were presented to reading institutions worldwide, in Sri Lanka and Sweden. One set of these historic printings, Chulajongkrao, the Great of Siam, Pali Tipitaka, has been well preserved both in the Temple of Holy Truth Relics of Kandy and at the Kororina Rediviva in Uppsala. After the inauguration in 2005, 1,000 sets will be presented as a donation to leading institutions worldwide. Furthermore, the International Tipitaka Studies will be initiated as an integral part of the presentation. The International Tipitaka Studies in these leading institutions will integrate the wisdom base in the Tipitaka with the knowledge base of the world today. It is hoped that the instruction and right understanding of the Pali Tipitaka will be ensure sustainable peace as well as lasting security for the international community today. May the merits of the International Tipitaka printing and the presentation bring wisdom, lifelong happiness and prosperity to the people of the world, now and always. Bangkok, Thailand. Thank you.